love these cool tricks. This cool trick is super nice. Yeah. Okay, so okay now, guys, I'm lagging so much, but this trick is awesome. This will be a small video, but you can prank your friends with this. In 1.9, there's a glitch thing that you can actually like falling blocks, and sand is one of them. Anvil, red sand, and other things that are falling blocks. Gravel, what else? So many falling blocks has been appear. And boom, you get this. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for now. That was a little bit small. So yeah. Okay, guys, I'll actually do another one, but it's lagging me. It's really cool for your secret bases. You just need piston to use this thing. I'm lagging so much. My goodness. It's actually nighttime, that's why my face is not really clear enough. Yeah. Okay. I'm like a ghost right now. Okay, this one is really cool. Apart from that, we actually need to have something something above or something. Oh! Okay. Maybe tomorrow I will show. Now I will show you how this. Actually, there's time. No, I need to get something. No. Sorry, go to please. Okay. Ah, this is hard to do. And I can't even jump or I'm lagging so much. I'm sorry, I always do this. Okay, it's been added there. This is gonna work. This doesn't work. I will super on like a bow. There. Okay, that's it. I have to just flash. Baby! Slash. Come on, slash. Tape it. What? P. P. I guess I have to do this. Okay. This is going to be hard. Oh! You actually need to have a piston up in this. Okay. Okay, go.